So how to use the coins in AliExpress. So first of all, go ahead to AliExpress, make sure you're logged in. From there you can see the coin section at the towards the top left of your screen. Simply press there and then it will take some time to load. So once it loads, you can see a list of items that will appear that can apply the different code discount or the coin discount according to the page. So here I'm opting this neon lights as my purchase option, and then I'll press on buy now. So once I press there, you can see that at the place order or this page, you can directly see that your amount has been discounted, and that's through your coin discount. So your subtotal amount will directly be discounted by using the coin in your place order page. So coin will automatically discount your total amount of your payment. So that's how you use or basically use coins in AliExpress. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.